Hello, this is question 8 on your mixed exercise 7 from your applied textbook from year 1. So from the large data set, the likelihood of a day with either zero or trace amount of rain in Harn in June 1987 was 0.5. Poppy believes that the likelihood of rain-free day in 2015 has increased. In June 2015 in Harn, 21 days were observed as having zero or trace amount of rain using 5% significant level. Test whether or not there is evidence to support Poppy's claim. So first of all, we are going to write the hypothesis. Probability is 0.5, and Sid thinks the number of rain-free days, and this probability is rain-free days. Yeah, so be careful because sometimes they are giving you a probability of no rain and they are asking you about rain. Yeah, so be careful, always check that. H1 is probability has increased. And we are checking June. June is a 30 days month. So this would be a binomial 30, 0.5. Yeah, so the number of days without rain is my variable. We can use 5% significant level. So method 1, we are comparing with the significant level. The probability of x being greater or equal than the observed value, which is 21, those are the days that are no rain, is going to be 1 minus probability of x smaller or equal than 20. Remember, binomial distribution in the calculator. Some calculators will be able to find this. Many, you will need to find smaller or equal. So this is 1 minus 0.9786, which is 0.0214. And this is, the significant level was 5%, so it's smaller than the significant level, which means we have to reject H0 and accept H1, the alternative. Yeah, so there is enough evidence to support that the probability or the proportion of rainy days have increased to support Poppy's belief. Yeah, so we have to say there is enough evidence to support Poppy's claim that there are more rainy days. Poppy's claim. Method 2 would be finding the critical region. And remember, you don't have to do both. It's just the one that you prefer unless they ask you about the critical region. So we have one tail test, so greater or equal than A must be smaller than the significant level. But this is not in the calculator, so we are going to do probability of x being smaller or equal than A minus 1, smaller than 0.05. So probability of x, just reorganizing, smaller or equal than A minus 1 must be greater than 1 minus 0.05, which is 0.95. Some calculators will have a inverse binomial. Yeah, I'm working like if you don't have it. If you have it, you just find this straight away. I go to the table, binomial 30 0.5, and find the first one that is greater than 0.95. So binomial 30, 0.5. So 30 and 0.5 is this column here. And I'm looking for the first value that is greater than 0.95, which is this one. And that corresponds to 19. Yeah, no? 19. So that means that this number here is 19. Therefore, A is 20. So my critical region would be x greater or equal than 20. And my observed value is 21. Remember, 21 days are rainy, which means 21 is in the critical region. If it's in the critical region, we have to reject. Yeah, it's the region of rejection and accept H1. So the conclusion is exactly the same. And we will have to write there is enough evidence to support Poppy's claim. Yeah, either method is a bit up to you what you do. Yeah, that's all with this question.